So today I'm going to show you how to replace your Cash App debit card, and we're actually going to do this in real time on our iOS device inside of the Cash App account. So you can see here we're on the home page, which kind of sets you up right over here with that $ amount, and we want to look just to the left of that for our card icon. We're going to go ahead and tap right over here. Now that's going to take us to this section over here for our card, and you can see right over here if we go ahead and just scroll down a little bit, there is going to be a section that says Manage Card, and right over here if we actually look down it says Get Card Support. You can go ahead and click right over here. Now from here, it's going to ask to report a card issue like being stolen, damaged, or lost. We're going to go ahead and click on report card issue. And from right over here, it's going to give us the 3 different options for us. We're going to go ahead and click on card damaged. Now from here, we can go ahead and just reorder the one that we already had, or we can go ahead and design a new card for a $5 fee. We're going to go ahead and click on reorder existing. And from here, it is going to ask us to confirm our mailing address. So just make sure everything looks good here. If it does, we're going to click on next. Now next up here, it is going to ask how you would like your card shipped. It is free to ship within a 7 to 10 business day time frame, or you can expedite that for 2 to 4 business days if you would like. Then from here, you can go ahead and click on next at the bottom. Now from here, it's going to ask for your cash pin, so you can go ahead and plug that in and then click on the next button, which will then finally get you through to the process of replacing your Cash App debit card. Now there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing Cash App, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.